I am a tax technology geek. I think that there's so much growth and potential there, and I always get excited when there's big change that could really make a tangible difference. My current role and what I do in that role is I advise on strategy and operations for tax in some of the world's largest companies. The leadership team had an awareness from doing work with their clients and realized that they needed somebody to help pull things together because we produce many different types of software to support global tax operations. In many companies, those operations are very segmented, and I was brought in specifically to effect change. It was actually very natural because when I worked with clients as their auditor, we would talk about ways that they could improve their processes, and I thought I could go deeper and actually pull things together. I get a lot of personal enjoyment and reward from helping effect change and make things better. I think that there's always an opportunity to improve operations, to do things a little differently, and it takes certain types of people who can see patterns and look beyond the focus of a single function or a single role, a single department, and think broadly to pull things and connect pieces together. And my mind just naturally works that way. So it is also about the people, it's about the process, it's about the strategy, it's about risk management, and it's about all these other areas that have to come together to decide what's the right number of systems. I see tax as a problem to solve. There's a set of rules and you're trying to achieve a certain objective, and it's not easy. And I love challenging and complex problems, and I love being able to solve them. And technology is the same way. It's very complex, and so it's like a big puzzle. And when you're trying to architect an approach with technology, you have all of these factors that you have to consider. It's exciting. I always love the conversations when a client goes, "You mean you can do that?" I think the CGMA designation says to people that I'm a CPA who knows how to do business within companies, and I think that's important. I think it says something. It has a certain brand to it. It has a certain unstated level of expertise associated to it that I think is important, and I was very excited to put it after my name. I want to be not just along for the ride. I want to be leading and forging the path ahead and bringing awareness to the area, shining light on the opportunity, and helping make people successful.